Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video to help you out with lesson 12, debt trouble. There are a couple questions on the quiz that aren't fully explained in the lesson, so I wanted to make sure that you understood what they're asking for so that you can be successful on this quiz. So debt trouble, it talks about calculating your debt limit, which should not exceed 20% of your yearly income. So they're saying don't have more debt than 20% of your yearly income. And then also it's talking about calculating a limit on debt payments of 10% of your monthly income. So again, that's a monthly one versus a yearly one. So it shouldn't be more than 10% of your monthly income. Over the year, it shouldn't be more than 20%. So it's got some good examples in here that are pretty cut and dry, and you guys have done well on these. So they're telling you the person's yearly income, and then they're saying what should their debt limit be. So all you do is you multiply their yearly income by 20%. When you multiply by percent, make sure that you're moving the decimal over, so it's going to be 0.2, okay, when you're multiplying that. Okay, so these are just asking you again to go ahead and multiply it by 0.2. So that would be the answer for this one, as well as this one. So on this one, you'll see this question on your quiz as well. So it's telling you the debt limit and then asking you what is their yearly income. So this doesn't necessarily mean that this is how much Esteban has in debt, but this is what his debt limit should be yearly. So in order to figure out what his yearly income is, you just reverse what we were doing up here. So you're going to do 11,640, and I'll go ahead and show this to you. Instead of multiplying it by 20%, I'm going to divide it by 20%. Okay, and then that shows me his yearly income. So 58,200. So again, you're going to see this question on your quiz, and you'll see it, I believe, 2 times on that quiz. So instead of multiplying it, you divide. So hopefully that helps on that one. And then when we're getting down to example 2, this one's just showing you monthly. So you just need to pay attention to the questions if they're saying monthly or yearly income when you're looking at somebody's debt payments. Okay, so this one is talking about their debt payments monthly versus their debt limit yearly. Okay, so on these, when they tell you the monthly income, you'll just multiply that by 10%, so 0.1 for both of those. And then this one is just like the one above, but you're going to divide it by 0.1. So 485 divided by 0.1 tells you the monthly income, okay? And then down here, it's just asking you to pretty much say yes or no if this person has too much debt. So you're just doing what you did above. When they give you the yearly income, you multiply it by 20%, and then you see what their debt limit should be. And then it says that this person, Nelson's debt is actually over $6,000, but his debt limit should be just over $4,000. So if they say, does he have too much debt? It's yes, he does have too much debt. And hopefully that helps you.